All right, in this video, we are going to discuss what makes Brave browser a privacy browser. Because I know that many people have heard about that Brave browser is a privacy browser. All right, one of the things that makes it what it is because of the kind of protection built into it. All right. So it's not among those browsers that maybe you have your data on the browser, they will leak it to third party companies or other platforms just because they want to make money. So we're going to discuss some other features that you need to know that makes this what it is. One of them is what you call Brave Shields. All right. By Brave Shields, we mean that this browser is shielded in a way that is difficult for somebody to break into your privacy. The next point is HTTPS upgrade. All right, it prioritizes that. HTTPS stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. All right, that S, which is at the last, is very important. Secure. All right. Some websites just use HTTP without having that S, which is Hypertext Transfer Protocol without secure. All right. So because of that, any information users enter in on that website can be leaked because any information that entering there is not secure. But Brave browser works with Hyper Transfer Protocol Secure. It has that set X in it, meaning that it's very, very important that your data stays secure. So it upgrades in that protocol way, okay, over the other one that is not secure. So that any information you enter on any website is encrypted. So with these few points, you have now known that this is a private browser because your information is not leaked, unlike some browsers that exposes your information to third-party sites and platforms.